All right, so in the last video, we did algebraic expressions and like terms. And we're going to use that to help us with polynomial addition. So let's go ahead and look at the steps here for doing polynomial addition. So the first thing that we want to do is if we have a coefficient outside any of the parentheses, we want to go ahead and distribute that first. Now this problem number one doesn't have that, but that's definitely the first step if we do have it. Step number two, we just want to remove the parentheses and rewrite the expression. I know a lot of students don't like to do this. They'll just go ahead and start combining like terms without removing the parentheses. I just think it gets to be messy, so it's just easier to go ahead and rewrite it and get rid of the parentheses before you go ahead and do step three, which is combine your like terms. All right, so let's look at number one. So here I have this expression, this addition here, a polynomial addition. And what I want to do is I go to step one, and we don't have a coefficient other than 1 in front, so there's nothing to distribute. So now I'm going to go ahead and remove the parentheses and rewrite the expression. So I'm going to go ahead and rewrite this. Okay, so now I'm ready to go ahead and combine my like terms. Remember that like terms have to have the same variable and the same exponent. So if I look here, I have 10x squared and I have 2x squared. So those are like terms. I can go ahead and combine those. That gives me 12x squared. Then I can take a look at the next term, and I have 5x, and then I have 7x, same variable with the same exponent. So those are like terms, so I can go ahead and add those, and 5x plus 7x is 12x. And then I can take a look at the last, what I have are the numbers. So I'll just go ahead and underline. So I have a plus 3 and a plus 1, which gives me plus 4. So when I go ahead and add those, I get 12x squared plus 12x plus 4. That is the simplified answer for that addition. All right, so let's look at number 2 here. Again, I do not have any coefficients in the front, so I'm going to go ahead and just rewrite this without the parentheses. So that's going to give me 4x squared minus x plus 6 plus 2x squared, x minus 5. So now I'm going to go ahead and look for my like terms. So I have a 4x squared and I have a 2x squared. Again, same variable with the same exponent. So 4x squared plus 2x squared is 6x squared. And then I'm going to go ahead and take a look at the next set. So I have minus x and plus 3x. So those are my like terms. So I have a negative 1x plus a 3x. That is plus 2x. And then, of course, I have just my constant terms left. I have 6 minus 5, which is 1. So adding those together, this is the sum, 6x squared plus 2x plus 1. All right, and the last one. So you can see here, we do have those coefficients in the front. So I need to go ahead and distribute those. So I have to multiply this 4 times all 3 of these, and then 3 times all 3 of these terms. And by doing that, I get rid of the parentheses as well. So 4 times 8x squared is 32x squared. 4 times 5x plus 20x. 4 times negative 1 is minus 4. And I have 3 times 2x squared, which is 6x squared. 3 times negative 3x, which is minus 9x. And then 3 times 11, which is positive 33. So now I'm ready to look at like terms. So I have a 32x squared and a 6x squared. So 32x squared plus 6x squared is 38x squared. And then I have the next set of terms. So I got 20x and minus 9x. So 20x minus 9x is 11x. And then of course, I have my constant terms. I have minus 4 plus 33. So that would give me plus 29. All right. So this is the sum for number 3. And then in the next video, we're going to pick up with subtracting polynomials.